Hi friends, hope you are doing good. Yes, today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks with Excel. Okay, and let's see how you're going to use those tips and tricks for your day-to-day routines work on Excel. Okay, yeah, so let's start with Excel. I'm opening here at Microsoft Excel. I'm having 2010 version installed in my laptop. You can have any other version 7, 10, 13, 16, anything. So you can use these tricks and tips to be yeah, to apply in all the versions, okay, starting from 2007. So let me tell you first, when you open a Excel, you have a sheet, right? In the sheet, you can see the row numbers and column names. The row numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4 in the left hand side, and the column names you see on top. You see on the top. So if you want, everyone thinks these numeric and alphabets will be printed when you give a print preview. Let us see if really these values are printed. But no, these won't be printed. Okay, this is only for identification purpose. You see here, when I give a print preview, you can see only A, which I have typed manually, okay, in the cell, but no numerics and no alphabets are printed here. So if you want some numeric values to be printed, so what you need to do, you need to enter it manually. So let me have some dummy values here. Okay, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, some values. I'm having some values, dummy values, just to understand, make you understand. Okay. Now, what I need the serial numbers in the left hand side. So how you are going to do? You need to type manually 1, 2, like that. Okay. But if you have 5 or 10 numbers, you will write it. If you have more than 10, I mean like 15, 20, 100, 200, like that. When you have 500, more than that. So do you think you will waste your time by writing the numbers manually, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that till 500 or 100? No, you should not do that. We have some shortcuts and tricks in Microsoft Excel we will using to fill the serial numbers. Okay, how you are going to do? Simply write 1 and 2 for two records and then select those two numbers. Okay, now you have a cursor, I mean pointer, in the bottom right corner. Okay, once you selected the two numbers, so take your mouse pointer there, double click and see the magic. Yes, this is correct. So you have the number serial numbers auto-filled till the records are there. Okay. So this is a method how you are going to fill it. You no need to write 1 to 17 numbers or 100 numbers like that manually. Okay. Just write two numbers and use the trick. And one more method is there to do the same thing. Instead of double clicking the right corner, bottom right corner cursor, okay, what you need to do is click on the same method, select the right one and two numbers, select both the numbers and then click on the bottom right corner, okay, and drag it until you need it. Okay, you see here I have dragged till 24, so 24 numbers are being populated automatically here. Okay, this is also one method which you can use. And now let us see how we are applying the column names of the header. Okay, so let us give this as a serial number. Okay, next one is name. Then the next one is I'm giving some values. Okay, phone. Let me give some dummy values, ABC at the rate some gmail.com or something. Okay, it's phone, right? So I'm giving some phone number. Okay, some dummy phone number, let me give. Okay, some number I'm giving, and this just for your understanding purpose. Okay, don't these are not the right method. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is Let me highlight this header to identify, okay, to make you understand properly. You see here, okay, I have three column names in the top, that is my header. Okay, let us see if you able to see this. Okay, and we have some values here. Let me copy and take this again. I'm printing it multiple times. Okay, this is only for your understanding purpose I'm showing you. Okay, yeah, you see here. Okay, so when I try to print, give a print preview, what I see, yeah, I see the header also, right? In the when I'm, if you see whatever you see in the print preview, the same thing will be printed. Okay, when you print a document through the printer. So you see here the serial number, name, phone, all are printing here, right? I have total of two pages. In the down you see total of two pages. When I go to next page, you see the header is missing, right? So how you are going to fix it, or how you going to make that? So will you go and copy it? No, not required. There is some concept called print tiles in Excel, so which will take care of the header. It will repeat the headers even if you have 100 pages of records or in the Excel sheet. Okay, so how we are going to see, let us go and check that. Click on page layout tab. Okay, and then click on print tiles. Okay, now what you have to do, under print tiles you have rows to repeat at top, right? In the text field you have a select option in the right hand side. Click the select option. Now select the row which you need to be repeated in the top, okay, of every page in Excel. Click enter. Now click OK. It's simple. Okay, now go to file, click on print, and you see in the first page you have that serial number, name, phone, right? When I click on second page, it automatically applied, right? In the second page as well, the header is there, right? I hope this is helpful to you all. Even if you have in many pages like 10 or 20 pages also, if you use this print else option, the header will be printed automatically. Okay, so this is the way you can print the column names, and you can print the row numbers as well, right? I hope you understand these things. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment if you need any other discussion or any other uh, interesting topics to be covered. Definitely I will do that. Okay, thank you everyone, bye.